Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to download Minecraft on iPhone. Okay, first things first, locate and open your App Store. Once here, just type in Minecraft on the search bar. After that, different apps like Minecraft will also appear. But take note that the original one is behind a paywall. So, in order for you to download the original Minecraft, is for you to pay for it. To proceed, just tap the price and just follow the respective paying instructions in downloading this app. Once downloaded, enjoy your Minecraft game. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now download Minecraft on iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.